Hello everyone, welcome to Enjay's Playspace. Welcome to part 2 of my tablet games. The first one I'm going to talk about is a game called Subway Surfers. I got 3 kinds of Subway Surfers. The regular one, another one, and another one. I'm going to try this one. I got this robot called Boombot. This guy's named Jake. And this is Frank, this dude. As you can see, I got a lot of coins from going to these awards. Collect money. Okay. See? I'm going to try Boombot. I'm going to go to this, as I got a lot of skateboards. I got some cool ones. This one, it speeds you up really, really fast. I wonder which one I should choose. I'm going to try the teleporter. Tap to play. I got 614. Here we go. That little star thing gives you like that. If you do this, it went away. If you do that, it'll make you get on a jetpack. You have to swipe up to jump. See how I'm going? I already died. I think I'll try again. If I try this, it'll make me have a jetpack going high in the air. And look, woohoo! I got these boots. And look, you can even go up here with these boots. I got a teleporter. Now you see me, now you don't. Isn't that cool? And it has some spins. Yeah! Here we go. What? I lost it, guys. I think I'm gonna go up here. Woohoo! I get a mystery box again. Ooh, yes, I got money, guys. And you can get some stuff like here. Like if you do this, it gives you something. I think I'm gonna try one more time and then go to another game. I think I wanna try this shark one. I got this one that speeds you so much. I'm gonna try it. Here we go. Now who should I be? I'm gonna try. But I already been Boombot, so Jake. This one or this one? I'll just try this one. He looks cool, like a superstar. Go. Here we go. I'm gonna jump onto this. Woohoo! Whoa, wait, what? I just started. I fell off. Guys, see how I'm going? You do this, you can, that's the trick, like this. And look, if you get the jetpack, sometimes you can find coins in the air. Whoa, this thing is going really slow. Aww. Woohoo! Go Jake. When I first got this type of Subway Surfers, Jake was the only character I had. And if you don't have enough money for something in this game, you can click it and then have a free item of charge, and that will help you have enough money. And then when you spend it on a character, it says you unlocked whoever or something, whoever that person's name is. Right now, I'm getting a lot closer to 1,000. Woohoo! Oh no, it's a train. Watch out for the trains because you'll be dead like that. I got 233 keys. Now I got 232. You can revive if you have a lot of keys. That makes you come back to life. Go Jake, I got a jetpack, guys. Look at me go, guys. I'm in the air with this jetpack. I'm over 1,000, guys, just as I said. Woohoo! Now time to jump back. And if you do this, you can make the dirt come into the police's face. And the police has a dog because it's like if you lose, then the police will take you if you don't have any coins. Oh, look at this one! I used that other shark kind and it made me speed and go really far in the air. Now I lost it. Oh, I get a woohoo! Look at Jake go. Oh no! Whoa! God, I almost died just from that train. Leaving the dust in the face. Whoa! Look at this go. Whoa! I thought I died. Time to use this speed. Look how it's going. Woohoo! It's a jetpack. Yeehaw! This will make me speed. Jump! Speed! Go! I can go really far with this thing. Whoa! Woohoo! Look how far I can go. Ah! I lost it. With this magnet, it makes you suck up all the coins. You can even, with these boots, you can jump on trains. Don't think. One more time to revive. If I lose, I'll go back to another game. Go, 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 Jake! Woohoo! Jake is the bomb! Another jetpack, guys. Woohoo! I'm almost, yes, I got 2,000. My new record before was 8,000. Once I beat it, then I'll get a new high score. And then if you lose, all the coins you get will add up to your money. All the money you have. Whoa, I thought I died. Whew, that was a close one that time. Whoa, I thought I died that time. Just jump, slide. Whoa, gonna get all these coins. Ooh, boots. Whoa, wait, what? Oh, look what I got. Let's see how many coins I got. Wow, time to go to a different game. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to click the like button to like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Bye!